If you want to delete a deal using Zoho CRM in n8n, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. Whether you're cleaning up old records, automating your CRM workflow, or removing a deal that no longer needs to exist, this process is simple once you know where to click. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more n8n and automation tutorials like this. First, open the workflow you want inside n8n. This is where you'll make the change, so make sure you're in the correct project before you continue. Once the workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel. This is the area where all the available integrations and actions are listed. In the search bar or the Zoho CRM section, choose Zoho CRM. After selecting Zoho CRM, look through the available actions and choose Delete a deal. This is the exact operation you need when you want n8n to remove a deal from Zoho CRM automatically. Now it's time to configure what you want to delete. In the node settings, define the deal information that identifies the record you want removed. This could be the deal ID or whatever value your workflow is using to target the correct deal. Make sure the data you map is accurate because this action will delete the record you point to. Double check your configuration, confirm the right Zoho CRM connection is selected, and make sure the node is set up to delete the correct deal. Once everything looks good, save your workflow and run a test if needed to verify that the deal is being deleted properly. And that's it. You've now set up Zoho CRM in n8n to delete a deal. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more automation guides for n8n.